So a common problem on how to make a video or animation playing a perfect endless loop in OBS without any annoying black apps or you needing to click on it. It'll be automatic, it's super easy once you know how and you guide it through step by step. Yeah. Okay, to create loop animation you need two things, two really important things. First of all, you will need the video you want to animate. In my situation here, I will be using my like and subs video that is appearing for you now. But you will need a second item, really important, named Advanced Scene Switcher. That's a free plugin that will be spotlights for you in the description of this video to help you out. I'll wait a minute for you to go ahead and install it if you don't have it already. With it done, perfect. Once it's installed, it should appear in your Tools tab. Right up here on OBS, go on Tools, Advanced Scene Switcher. Oh, here things will be a little more complicated, so let's go step by step. Step 1, let's start creating one macro, clicking here in the plus button. Let's name it Show My Animation. It'll be really simple. Show My Animation. Now you would go and add a condition. The condition will be if scene is visible, item visibility. We're gonna put on your current, in my case here is recording, for you will be a different scene probably. The display you want probably will be your video or animation. Mine is the like and subs, and I put it as is hidden because I want it to appear. Now on actions, you will go and with switch scenes, you will put wait, fix it, and the duration of the wait. I will put it 3 seconds to make it fast so we can show it here for you in this video. Now you're gonna change this wait into a second action to sign item visibility. Then you're gonna put again the place where the video is, put it to show, and select the video. Easy as that. You already have your macro done. Because now you are gonna click here and there with the right button of the mouse, duplicate macro, show animation. Now it will be hide my animation. Oops, hide my animation. And you can just come here and make 3 little things really simple. From hidden you go to visible. It's already passing as you can see in the background. And here you go on fix it. You change for 2 seconds more than the duration of the video you choose. In my situation here it's 17 seconds. And you go and show, you put hide. Because now how the macro is working is it will show the animation, it will go, after the animation ends it will hide, it will show again, and it will keep it on loop. And you can see it working. Now run your macro, run the show macro, and let it proceed. So if I helped you, if I really helped you, don't forget to hit that like button to help my channel to grow. I'm just starting here on YouTube. You help a lot to have all of you here with me. Don't forget to subscribe too, and more importantly, tell me into the comments below if I helped you, which type of video you're gonna use. I would really love to read your comments, and I hope to see you all next stream. That's what for me for today. Bye bye, see you all next time.